Welcome back to the channel, everyone. It is officially October 2nd, so bow season started yesterday. But couldn't get out there because of school. So today's gonna be my first day out. We're going out for an evening sit. It's about noon right now, so we still got a few hours. So I'm just gonna sight in the bow right now, and just gonna sight the bow in and get everything packed up right now. So stay tuned for first bow hunt of the season. It's morning number 2. It's about 8:30 right now. We hasn't been too much action this morning. It's cold. I went somewhere else last night and only saw one doe. Didn't catch that on film, so got up for the morning hunt this morning, and so far it's been slow. Haven't seen anything yet, so I'll try and get the camera out if something comes out this morning, but otherwise probably won't be seeing much. So it's a few weeks later now. It's October 17th, and we're heading out for our third sit of this bow season. The last time I was out, I did end up hitting a spike buck, but I rushed my shot, didn't make a good shot on him, and we tracked him for a little bit. Blood trail just slowly died out, and we didn't end up finding him. So we're 3 weeks into bow season now, and we're going out for our third sit. So stay tuned. Sit number 4 of the season.